Hello, everyone! I cannot tell you what a thrill it was to step off the plane for the first time to visit Rome. That was quite a few years ago. I remember the rush of excitement, the sheer awe of being in a city so rich in history and culture. The scent of fresh pizza wafting through the air, the vibrant hustle and bustle of the locals, and the sight of ancient ruins against the backdrop of a modern city. It was all so overwhelming, yet inviting. I recall standing in the heart of the city, looking around with wide-eyed wonder at the architectural marvels that have stood the test of time. I was like a child in a candy store, eager to explore every nook and cranny of this enchanting city. Rome, the eternal city, with its timeless allure, had me falling in love at first sight. And today I am going to take you on a virtual tour of Rome, showcasing some of its iconic landmarks. And each of these popular tourist attractions are accessible by hop-on hop-off tour buses. Our first stop, the Roman Colosseum, a grand amphitheatre echoing with tales of gladiatorial battles. This marvel of architecture and engineering, constructed in the 1st century, stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. The Colosseum, originally known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, was the epicenter of Roman culture, hosting spectacles that showcased the might and prowess of gladiators. Imagine over 50,000 spectators gathered in anticipation as gladiators, wild beasts, and stage plays filled the arena with spectacle and drama. The Colosseum's design, with its underground passages, trapdoors, and elevators, was a feat of engineering that ensured seamless performances. The Colosseum's iconic elliptical structure has withstood the test of time, surviving earthquakes, fires, and neglect. Today it serves as a vivid reminder of the Roman era's magnificence and a symbol of the eternal city. Leaving the echoes of the gladiators behind, we move on to our next stop. Next up, we have the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill, once the epicenter of Roman public life. Imagine, if you will, a bustling marketplace, the political heart of an empire, where senators debated, merchants bartered, and citizens gathered. This was the Roman Forum. Today, its grand ruins, from the Temple of Saturn to the Arch of Septimius Severus, stand as silent witnesses to Rome's glorious past. A stone's throw away, we find Palatine Hill. This was the Beverly Hills of ancient Rome, the neighborhood of emperors and aristocrats. Today, its leafy slopes are dotted with ruins of opulent palaces, offering a glimpse into the lives of Rome's elite. One can almost hear the echo of lavish feasts and political intrigue. So take a moment to soak in the atmosphere. Feel the pulse of ancient Rome under your feet. From the ruins of the ancient city, we now move towards a symbol of timeless beauty. Welcome to the Trevi Fountain, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture, followed by the Pantheon, a testament to Rome's architectural genius. The Trevi Fountain dates back to ancient Roman times, when the Aqua Virgo, one of the ancient aqueducts, supplied water to the area. The current fountain, however, was designed by Italian architect Nicola Salvi and completed by Italian sculptor Pietro Bracci in 1762. Legend has it that if you throw a coin over your shoulder into the fountain, you're sure to return to Rome. So who's up for a little bit of wishful thinking? Moving on, we find ourselves in front of the Pantheon, an architectural wonder that's been standing for nearly 2,000 years. Originally a temple for all gods, this marvel was transformed into a church in the 7th century. Its dome, the largest unsupported dome in the world, is a feat of engineering that continues to inspire awe and admiration. After these architectural marvels, we head to the heart of Christianity. Vatican City, the smallest country in the world, is our next stop. Nestled within the heart of Rome, this microstate is a treasure trove of art, history, and spirituality. Despite its diminutive size, Vatican City's influence is anything but small. This city-state is home to the Pope and serves as the spiritual headquarters for millions of Roman Catholics worldwide. It's also a living museum, brimming with staggering architecture and priceless works of art. Let's delve a little deeper into some of its most iconic landmarks. First, we have St. Peter's Basilica, one of the world's largest and most important Christian sites. This architectural masterpiece is named after St. Peter, one of Jesus' apostles, who is believed to be buried here. The basilica, with its towering dome designed by Michelangelo, is a testament to the grandeur of Renaissance architecture. Inside, you'll find an awe-inspiring array of sculptures, mosaics, and frescoes that make it a must-see for art lovers. Next up are the Vatican Museums, an impressive collection of galleries housing an array of art and historical artifacts. From ancient Roman sculptures to Renaissance paintings, these museums offer a journey through time, encapsulating over 2,000 years of human history. Lastly, we cannot overlook the Sistine Chapel, arguably the Vatican's crown jewel. This chapel is world-renowned for its breathtaking ceiling frescoes, painstakingly painted by Michelangelo. The most famous of these is the Creation of Adam, which depicts God reaching out to touch Adam's finger. It's an image so iconic that it has permeated our collective consciousness. Vatican City is a place where history, art, and faith intertwine, creating a unique and captivating experience. Its rich tapestry of culture and heritage has made it a must-visit destination for people from all walks of life. Leaving the spiritual realm, we now move towards a fortress of great historical importance. Next, we visit the Castel Sant'Angelo, initially a mausoleum, later a fortress, and now a museum. This grand structure, also known as the Mausoleum of Hadrian, has served a multitude of roles throughout its existence. Built around the year 134, it originally served as a final resting place for Emperor Hadrian and his family. Over the centuries, the mausoleum underwent several transformations, becoming a military fortress, a papal residence, and even a prison at one point. Its architectural design is a testament to its varied history, with the original Roman foundations supporting layers of medieval and Renaissance additions. Today, the Castel Sant'Angelo stands as a museum, inviting visitors to explore its rich past. Each of its 5 floors tells a unique story, from the ancient burial chamber to the luxurious papal apartments. The panoramic view from its terrace is a must-see, offering a breathtaking vista of Rome. Let's leave the fortress behind and move on to our next destination. Our final stops are a mix of sacred and public spaces: Santa Maria Maggiore, Circus Maximus, Piazza Venezia, and Piazza Navona. Let's start with Santa Maria Maggiore, one of the most important Catholic basilicas in Rome. This grand church, built in the 5th century, showcases a blend of different architectural styles, from Roman to Baroque. The stunning mosaics you'll find here tell stories from the Old Testament, inviting you to step back in time and soak in the historical significance of this sacred space. Next on our journey is the Circus Maximus, an ancient Roman chariot racing stadium and mass entertainment venue. Today, unfortunately, Circus Maximus exists as a large grassy area. But picture yourself back in the day among an audience of 250,000 people cheering on the thrilling chariot races. The sheer size of this ancient site, the largest stadium in Rome, is a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Moving on, we arrive at Piazza Venezia. This square is a bustling hub of Rome, home to the Grand Vittorio Emanuele II monument, also known as the Altar of the Fatherland. This stunning white marble monument was built in honor of Victor Emmanuel II, the first king of a unified Italy. The panoramic views from the top are absolutely breathtaking, offering a spectacular sight of the Eternal City. Lastly, we stroll to Piazza Navona, a city square that follows the plan of an ancient Roman circus. The square is embellished with 3 magnificent fountains, including the famous Fontana dei Quattro Fiumi, or Fountain of the 4 Rivers. This masterpiece, designed by Gian Lorenzo Bernini, represents the 4 major rivers of the 4 continents recognized by the Church. These 4 stops, each unique in its own right, offer a blend of history, culture, and stunning architecture. They stand as silent witnesses to the city's past, enhancing Rome's charm and grandeur. With that, we come to the end of our tour of Rome, the Eternal City. And there we have it, a whirlwind tour of Rome's most iconic landmarks. We've journeyed through time, from the ancient Colosseum, echoing with the footfalls of gladiators, to the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill, where the whispers of a once great empire still linger. We've made wishes at the Trevi Fountain and marveled at the architectural genius of the Pantheon. A visit to the spiritual heart of the city, Vatican City, took us from awe-inspiring art to a place of peace and reflection. The Castel Sant'Angelo gave us a glimpse into Rome's rich history, and the Santa Maria Maggiore, Circus Maximus, Piazza Venezia, and Piazza Navona illustrated the city's vibrant life and culture. Each landmark, a testament to Rome's enduring grandeur and charm. This is Rome, a city where every cobblestone tells a story, and history is around every corner. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Rome. Until next time, arrivederci.
Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video informative and entertaining. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. We do like to know and hear your feedback. And if you have the means, please consider supporting us on Patreon, where we post bonus material. Till next time, this is Geeky Tidbits, saying cheers, and have a good day.